Katanat election jangka jala Meghalaya kalapan mi ahdu Andrew lak 10,000 sau spalai pukandai teli kinong penbana SIR balapan poi sau lak nyo puprahajar ars pa khanyo teli na kini. Baro Andrew lak san pu hajar Andrew spa sau pusau ngut kinong tevot kidang syapen shisha katba Andrew pu ar hajar lai spa sau pulai teli kijing bishar kiladap. U CEO BDR Tiwari ulang ba on weng ya kekerteng jong unu neng tevot naka draft electoral roll klam da ai jing tep klem da pen loin ka jing toket ba klem da bishar penya da ka bahok
electoral roll and mapped with SIR 2005 around two-thirds of the total existing electors are in that category, so no further action is required in their cases. But if your name is in the draft electoral roll but not mapped with SIR 2005, then there is a mapping or there is mapping discrepancy, you may receive a notice for hearing from ERO. So don't ignore the notice, attend the hearing on the date specified and produce the required supporting document. And if your name is not found in the draft electoral roll, you can still check that and you can still apply for inclusion by submitting Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form and supporting document during this claim and objection period, which is till 4th of September 2026. And this timeline for filing of claim and objection is at present till 4th of September, but the notice phase and disposal of claim objections will continue till 3rd of October 2026, when the date of final publication is 7th October. So we particularly advise not to all the electors not to ignore notices received from ERO, AERO, and to utilize the opportunity of hearing to furnish required document and clarify any discrepancy in their electoral record. Those whose hearing have been temporarily suspended in the affected assembly constituencies in East Kaseel district should await the revised hearing schedule from the concerned election authority. We further appeal to all electors, political parties and BLAs, as well as traditional institutions, Darbar Sunong, Nokmas, civil society organizations, especially to the media and all other stakeholders, to continue extending their cooperation and support during this ongoing phase of special intensive revision. So they should check their name and cooperate with the election authorities. Our process is just to make sure that no ineligible citizen remain in the electoral roll, but more importantly, no eligible citizen to be left out. So in respect to the field activities, people are getting notices and they have to produce documents, so there are some inconvenience being caused, and in several cases the documents might not be properly available, especially in the case of the discrepancies. So districts are working very closely in the purview of law how to get it rectified and then apply proper discretion in all such cases in consultation with the local authorities in purview of law, and to facilitate all such eligible electors so they should not have any problem and their names should remain in the electoral roll. So your cooperation, especially the media side, is very, very important. I once again would like to extend our sincere thanks and gratitude all stakeholders, including the team members, all the electors, local institutions, media, and other stakeholders to get this exercise done successfully and make our role error free and healthy for a better democracy. Thank you.
Thank you.